In this video, we will learn how to change layout in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint, and here you can see that I have one slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I enter here the title of slides, the PND take. Okay. So here I'm going to change this layout of the slides. So to change the layout, go to the Home tab. In slides group, have a layout option. Then click on this drop down arrow and you can see the layout gallery is open. So these are the different layout available in this layout option. So first is a title slides. So only title you can here mention. Second layout is a title and content. You can mention the title with content. Third one is a section header. You can enter the section header. If you create the section in your presentation, you can add these slides to add this layout to add the section header as a section header. Okay, the fourth one is a to content. You can add a different to content. Okay, and here the comparison, you can add here the content with the pictures also, and here the title only. Okay, so you can add on this layout only title, then blank layout also you can insert, then content with the caption. In content with caption, you can add the content with caption, the last one the picture with caption, and this layout you can add the picture and caption. I just insert it this layout. You can see the slide is converted in this layout. You can add here the picture and title and here the text. Okay, again I go to the Home tab and click on the layout option, and here I insert the to content layout, and here you can add the different to content here. So you can add here, click to add the text, and here you can click to add the text, and you can see here the some in this layout. You can see here some icon showing. When you keep cursor on any icon, you can see here the first icon showing the name, the stock images. So you can easily insert here the images. The second icon, you can insert here the pictures. Third one, you can insert here the icons. Fourth one, you can insert the smart art graphic, and fifth one, you can insert the video. Sixth one, you can insert the 3D models, and you can insert the table, and the last one you can insert the chart. So I just show you one here. Just click on this icon, and here you can see to insert chart dialog box is open. Just select your chart and you can click on OK to insert in your slide. So this is a way you can insert those you want. So this is a way you can use these different layouts in Microsoft PowerPoint for your presentation. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.